Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the top 10 terminal commands to kickstart your programming career on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application terminal which is built into the Mac. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for terminal, open up the command prompt and then increase the size of the terminal window. And now we are ready to start inserting commands to give us an output on screen. So the first command you need to know is cd, which changes directory. We are now in the home directory. How do we know that? We can use print working directory to check. So that itself is the second command you need to know to kickstart the career to become the best programmer. And so we can then use ls to see what we have in the current directory. This allows us to list all the files, the documents that we now have in the current directory. So the next command, you may be wondering what it is. And so the next command we have is still list all the content in the directory, which is ls-l. And this allows us to list in long format, includes file mode, owner, the group name, the date and the time the file was modified, as well as the path name. So now we are on to the fifth command, which is change directory to documents. cd documents tab to autofill, enter, and now use print working directory to see what directory we are in. Users, computer science videos, and now documents. We can move up a parent directory by typing in change directory followed by a couple of full stops. And now we have moved one back. So print working directory to see where we are at. We are now in computer science videos. If I go into documents, grids, ls, and now use print working directory to see where we're at, we can now use cd //, which is the next command, to move up two directories. So now we are back to computer science videos. So at the moment we have used many commands: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 commands already. The next command would be to change directory and then list all the items all with one command. So if we change directory and then list all the directories we have on screen, we can insert cd documents autofill semicolon ls-l, and now we are in documents, as well as listing everything within documents. If we go to the desktop, change directory, cd desktop ls-l, we can create a directory by typing in make directory. I will just call the directory folder, ls-l, and now we see the folder. If we swipe to the desktop, here is the folder that we have created. If we were to remove the folder, we need to type in remove directory and then the name of the folder, which itself is folder. So now the folder itself has been deleted. There is no folder anymore on the desktop. So that itself is 10 commands, which will all be available within the description of this video. So we have cd to change directory, print working directory to print all the working directories, ls to list, ls-l to list in long format, change directory to documents, cd ... to go up a parent directory, cd ... to go up two directories, cd / semicolon ls-l to change directory and list all the contents, make directory to make a folder, remove directory to remove a folder. We can now clear everything we see on screen, quit terminal. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.